Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Reality Consult, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to practically demonstrate how to use the conversion tools. The conversion tools are broadly categorized into two types in ArcGIS. One type basically deals with conversion of data from one file format to another file format. And the second category is the conversion of data from one data type to another data type. But in this video, I'm going to dwell much on the conversion of data from one data type to another data type. However, I would equally mention how to convert from data file formats. So to be able to practically demonstrate this, you need to have data. And this is my data. This is the airport residential area in Greater Accra region of Ghana. And these are residential buildings within the area. Sometimes when you want to carry out spatial analysis with respect to this area, you need to convert the data to vector data to make it easier to work with. Sometimes people will digitize all these features within this map in the form of what? Vector data set to be able to carry out their analysis on the site. So by today, I'm going to practically demonstrate how to convert raster data type to vector data type. That is how to convert more or less an image to polygons, rows, lines, and so on. So let's go. First of all, you need to figure out how to access this tool. This tool can be accessed through ArcToolbox. And under ArcToolbox, as the name suggests, conversion tools, you need to go to conversion tools. And this is the conversion tools. And what do we seek to do? We want to convert from raster to vector, that is polygon, either polygon or lines. So from raster, you see, raster to ASCI, raster to float, raster to point, raster to polygon, raster to polyline, raster to video. So let's go to raster to polygon. Buildings are more or less in a form of polygons. So this is the input feature or input raster or input image. Click on this value object, let it be value. You can rename it here and then you can save it. But mine is being saved at the default geodatabase. You need to simplify polygons, which is optional, maximum vertices, and so on. At this point in time, everything is okay. Leave the rest in the default form. Click OK and wait for the processing to be carried out. It needs time because there's enormous work being done to be able to come up with the result. So be patient at this point in time. Our work has been completed and the result is pretty cool, but not a perfect work. You see the spaces that are in between are the cell spaces in the original image. So that is, the data has been converted from raster data type two vector data type in the form of what? Polygons. So let's open the attribute data of this. You see, these are the polygons and so on. You can select them. They are the end about 742,664 features or records. That is what it took quite long time to process. It's huge data. You can symbolize this. So basically that is how it's done. So as I indicated, you can also convert from vector dataset to raster dataset, and this is the tool to raster, polygon to raster. You can click on it and you can input, you can put the input features, the value field and so on, and save it. But at this point in time, I don't want to carry out the operation, because the more that you convert data from one file or from one data type to another data type, there's loss of tremendous information, or there's a loss with respect to the quality of your data. So only convert data when you really need to do the conversion. So let me just show how to either use the other major conversion category, that is file, from one file format to another file format. And this is if you want to convert from GPS, the GPS to features, from KML to layer, and then from the layer you can convert it to shape files. If you have a PDF and you want to convert it to TIFF, that is an image, and so on. So that is the conversion of data between data formats, and that is it. So in this lesson, I have taught you how to carry out conversion in both converting from data types and then converting between data formats. So kindly subscribe to my channel and click on notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you very much and all the best.